stock for today. The first stock is actually Hill Industries, 8443. I think if you look at the candles, they have actually cut above the downward sloping resistance trend line. And I think it seems like the low at 81.5 cent form during August, early part of August, is probably the short-term support. Simply because I think when you look at share price, it has now trended above the 30-day moving average. I think right now what we expect is the candles will continue, or the share price will continue to trend upward and taking on the 50-day and 200-day SMA. Eventually, I think trading will be choppy in the near term because usually if the share price is actually trapped in moving averages, I think if you clear cut, if you look at the chart here, it is actually between 30-day and the other two moving averages. It will continue to gyrate probably sideways in the near term before stronger rebound actually comes in. Okay. Overall, what we can say is that the bulls are slowly making a comeback. Second stock is Time.com. I think if you look at the share price, it has actually bounces back strongly recently, or in fact yesterday, and that rebound was actually with very high volume. So the short-term downward sloping resistance trend line has been taken out. In fact, yesterday's rally also took out the 30-day SMA. If you look at the price point here, it was actually a bit above the 50-day SMA. So I think if the candles can, white candle can be formed today, most likely it will try to build a base above the 50-day SMA. After that, I think that the 200-day SMA will be the next target. I think if you look at the rebound from the low, the breakout from the recent trend line, as well as the breakout above the 30-day SMA, these are precursors to more upside ahead. I think the third stock is actually Able Global. I think if you look at the share price, the correction from the June high was sharp. It actually reached the 50% Fibonacci retracement level before share price or before buying momentum started to pick up. Okay, I think recent days, share price has actually took out the 30-day SMA. It is now testing the 50-day SMA. In fact, if you look at the price point, it was slightly above the 50-day, but we think it will need another white candle to validate that the current rebound move is still intact. Okay, another white candle basically will put share price firmly above the 50-day SMA. Overall, when you look at the RSI indicator, it is also on the rising trend.